The calorific value of natural gas is about Kcal nm3. A 10,000, B 2500, C 25,000, D 35,000. The correct answer is 10,000. Low temperature carbonization of coal takes place at C. A 300, B 1100, C 700, D 150. The correct answer is 700. Critical air blast cap value of coke is a direct measure of its A reactivity, B hardness, C strength, D none of these. The correct answer is reactivity. The function of secondary combustion air is to A pneumatically convey the pulverized coal, B completely burn the volatile matter, C burn the lumpy coal, D none of these. The correct answer is completely burn the volatile matter. The ratio of maximum adiabatic flame temperature in air to that in pure oxygen is always A1, B1, C1, D unpredictable. The correct answer is 1. Fixed carbon in coal is defined as A that present in volatile matters, B the total quantity of carbon present in the coal, C 100 minus the percentage of volatile matter ash and moisture, D the one which is present in the residue after combustion. The correct answer is 100 minus the percentage of volatile matter ash and moisture. Which of the following fuels has the highest calorific value per unit mass kcal? A coal, B kerosene, C natural gas, D furnace oil. The correct answer is furnace oil. With increase in the time of carbonization at a particular temperature, say 1000 C, the percentage in coke oven gas increases. A hydrogen, B methane, C unsaturated hydrocarbons, D all A, B and C. The correct answer is hydrogen. During its calorific value determination by bomb calorimeter, coal is combusted by A air, B oxygen, C oxygen enriched air, D none of these. The correct answer is oxygen. Able apparatus is used for those oils whose flash points are F. A 120, B 120, C 280, D 300 600. The correct answer is 120. Oxygen required for theoretically complete combustion of 1 nm3 methane is nm3, A2, B4, C6, D1. The correct answer is 2. Bomb calorimeter is used for the determination of calorific value of the fuels. A gaseous, B solid, C liquid, D both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. As the CH ratio of the fuel increases, the amount of CO2 formed on combustion for the same percentage of excess air. A decreases, B increases, C remains same, D may increase or decrease depending on the type of fuel. The correct answer is increases. Which of the following fuel gases has the highest calorific value? A natural gas, B coal bed methane CBM, C liquefied petroleum gas LPG, D sewage gas. The correct answer is liquefied petroleum gas LPG. Calorific value as determined by bomb calorimeter is the A higher calorific value at constant volume, B gross calorific value at constant pressure, C lower calorific value at constant pressure, D net calorific value at constant volume. The correct answer is higher calorific value at constant volume. Which of the following can be made into briquettes without the use of a binder? A. Lignite. B. Bituminous coal. C. Anthracite coal. D. None of these. The correct answer is lignite. As the equilibrium moisture content of the coal increases, its A. calorific value increases. B. swelling number decreases. C. swelling number increases. D. bulk density decreases. The correct answer is swelling number decreases. Which of the following is a measure of the agglutinating i.e. binding property of coal? A. thickness of plastic layer. B. caking index. C. swelling index. D. caking index. The correct answer is caking index. During coal carbonization process, the conversion of semi-coke to coke is accompanied by an increase in the of the mass. A. density. B. porosity. C. electrical resistivity. D. none of these. The correct answer is density. Blast furnace gas burns with a bluish flame because of the presence of A. Co. B. CH4. C. CO2. D. S. The correct answer is Co. Which of the following is not a byproduct fuel? A. producer gas. B. blast furnace gas. C. coke oven gas. D. refinery gas. The correct answer is producer gas. Lignite is A. a high-rank coal. B. a coking coal. C. can be used for gasification and steam generation. D. a black-banded coal which burns with a non-smoky yellowish flame. The correct answer is can be used for gasification and steam generation. Shatter index of metallurgical coke on 2 inches and 0.5 inch screen should be respectively around %. A. 80 and 97. B. 95 and 100. C. 40 and 70. D. 25 and 97. The correct answer is 80 and 97. Naphthalene recovered from coke oven gas is used. A. as moisture-proof coating on fibers. B. as mothballs insecticides. C. as a fuel in furnaces. D. for making electrodes. The correct answer is as mothballs insecticides. Method of maintaining fires in furnace during standby periods without undue consumption of fuel is called A. backdrotting. B. banking. C. underpressurizing. D. none of these. The correct answer is banking. Quantity of coke produced from metallurgical coal may be around %. A. 30. B. 50. C. 75. D. 95. The correct answer is 75. Coal is heated in presence of air to a temperature of about C while determining its ash content for proximate analysis. A. 500. B. 750. C. 950. D. 1100. The correct answer is 750. Out of the following fuels, the difference between gross and net calorific value will be minimum in case of A. coke oven gas. B. water gas. C. natural gas. D. blast furnace gas. The correct answer is blast furnace gas. Fuel for a fast breeder nuclear reactor is A. plutonium. B. uranium. C. radium. D. neptunium. The correct answer is plutonium. Which of the following gaseous fuels is likely to have the highest gross calorific value? A. sewage gas. B. LPG. C. producer gas. D. natural gas. The correct answer is LPG. Which of the following is called flue gas? A. coke oven gas. B. water gas. C. natural gas. D. producer gas. The correct answer is water gas. Caking index of a coal is a measure of its A. abradability. B. reactivity. C. Agglutinating binding properties. D. Porosity. The correct answer is agglutinating binding properties. Calorific value of furnace oil is about kcal/kg. A. 10,000. B. 15,000. C. 5,000. D. 20,000. The correct answer is 10,000. The main product of high-temperature carbonization of coal is A. Coke. B. Ammonia. C. Tar. D. Coke oven gas. The correct answer is coke. High-temperature carbonization of coal takes place at C. A. 2000. B. 600. C. 1100. D. 1600. The correct answer is 1100. Removal of hydrogen from coke oven gas. A. Increases its calorific value. B. Decreases its calorific value. C. Does not alter its calorific value. D. Is not possible on chemical scale. The correct answer is increases its calorific value. If oxygen content in the flue gas rises too high, fuel is being wasted by A. Incomplete combustion. B. Dry gas stack gas loss. C. Moisture loss. D. None of these. The correct answer is dry gas stack gas loss. Increase in ash content of blast furnace coke. A. Reduces its consumption in the furnace. B. Increases its consumption in the furnace. C. Does not affect its consumption in the furnace. D. Decreases its hardness and abrasion resistance. The correct answer is increases its consumption in the furnace. Safe condition for storage of high VM bituminous coal is that A. Height of the coal heap should be 3 meters. B. Maximum 200 tons should be stored in a heap. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Ignition temperature of a fuel in air is that in pure oxygen. A. More than. B. Less than. C. Equal to. D. Either more or less depends on the type of fuel. The correct answer is more than. Coking time in a commercial high-temperature coal carbonization plant is about hours. A. 6. B. 18. C. 28. D. 36. The correct answer is 18. Which of the following has the least calorific value? Cal NM3. A. Blast furnace gas. B. Coke oven gas. C. Sewage gas. D. Natural gas. The correct answer is blast furnace gas. Commercial production of petrol from coal as practiced in a factory at Sasol in South Africa is done by the of coal. A. Hydrogenation. B. Gasification. C. Carbonization. D. None of these. The correct answer is hydrogenation. The combustion reaction CO2-CO2 is A. Exothermic. B. Endothermic. C. Autocatalytic. D. None of these. The correct answer is exothermic. For maximum discharge through a chimney, its height should be A. 200 meters. B. Infinitely long. C. More than 105.7 meters. D. Equal to the height of the hot gas column producing draught. The correct answer is equal to the height of the hot gas column producing draught. Which of the following is not applicable to fluidized bed combustion of coal? A. It cannot burn low-grade coal. B. It achieves higher fuel combustion efficiency. C. Less heat transfer surface area is required in boilers. D. None of these. The correct answer is it cannot burn low-grade coal. Coal containing large quantity of are difficult to wash. A. Ash. B. Inherent mineral matter. C. Free impurities. D. Volatile matter. The correct answer is inherent mineral matter. Which of the following is not a microcomponent present in coal? A. Micrinite. B. Chlorine. C. Fusinite. D. Lignite. The correct answer is chlorine. Calorific values of both the solid as well as the liquid fuels can be determined by calorimeter. A. Bomb. B. Boyce. C. Junkers. D. None of these. The correct answer is bomb. A coal containing high amount of volatile matter will have A. Low ignition temperature. B. Very little ash content. C. High fusion point of its ash. D. Low adiabatic flame temperature. The correct answer is low ignition temperature.